Exercise 3.2 in playing with numbers. 7th question is, give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. If 2 prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. 3 and 5, because 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 5 and 7, because 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 11 and 13, because 13 minus 11 is 2. When we have the difference 2 means this all the numbers are twin primes. 8th question is, which of the following numbers are prime? In first one 23, second one is 51, third one is 37, fourth one is 26. In this 4 numbers, which are prime numbers? Prime numbers means the number it will go in that same table only one time. Like that, what and all numbers we have? First one is 23. 23 will not come in any other table. And third one is 37. 37 also will go in 37th table only one time. These 2 are prime numbers. Which are not prime numbers? 51 and 26, because 51 will go in third table also, because 1 3s are 3, remaining 2, bring this one down. Now 7 3s are 21. So now 51 will go in 51th table one time, and third table and 17th table. Same like that. 26, second table, 1 2s are 2, again 3 2s are 6. This is 0 here. So 26 will go in second table, 26th table, 13th table. So 26 and 51 is not prime number. Only 23 and 37 is prime numbers. Therefore 51 and 26 are not a prime number. Not a prime numbers. 9th question is, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime numbers between them. Composite number means without prime number. You know what is the prime number? Prime number will come in the same table only one time. It is called prime number. Other than that, all the number is called composite number. Prime numbers means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like this. It will come in the same table only once. Remaining all the numbers is called composite number. Consecutive composite number means continuous composite number. In this question, they have given less than 100. Continuously composite number we have to write 7 number we should write. So that starting from 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers continuously consecutive composite number. Now 90 can divide by third table, can divide by fifth table and 10th table. And 91 can divide by 7th table. 1 7s are 7, remaining 2. Again 1 means 3 7s are 21. So can divide by 7th table. 92 can divide by second table. 93 can divide by third table. 94 can divide by second table. 95 can divide by fifth table. 96 can divide by second table. So, this everything is continuously composite number, that is called consecutive composite number. They asked to write 7 numbers. So, we have written here 7 numbers. This is the answer.
10th question is, express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. A question is 21, B question is 31, C question is 53, D is 61.
When we add 3 odd prime numbers, we have to get 21. So, I am taking now 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 11 is 21. So, 3, 7, 11 are odd prime numbers. So, 3 numbers I am adding. So, I will get 21. Same like that, 31 also we have to think 3 odd prime numbers. So, now 3 plus 11, I am getting 14. 14 plus 17, I am getting 31. Same like that way, you have to do C and D is your homework sum.
11th question is, write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. For example, 3 plus 7 equal to 10.
3 plus 7 is 10. 3 and 7 are prime numbers. When we add 2 prime numbers, we are getting 10. 10 can be divisible by 5. So, like this, they have given the hint. Keeping the hint, we have to write 5 pairs like this only. First pair is 2 plus 3. 2 also prime number, 3 also prime number. So, I am getting 5. 5 can be divisible by 5 one time. Second pair is 3 plus 17. 17 and 3 is prime number. When we add, we will get 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 5s are 20. Third prime number is 7 plus 13. 7 plus 13 will get 20. 20 can be divided by 5 4 times. Fourth pair is 2 plus 13. So, 2 plus 13 will get 15. 15 by 5 is 3 5s are 15. Fifth pair is 5 plus 5 also can tell. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 by 5 is 2 times. When we add pairs of prime numbers, we are getting less than 20, which is divisible by 5.
12th question is, fill in the blanks. In that first one, a number which has only 2 factors is called prime numbers, because in prime numbers we have 1 and itself a factors. B question is, a number which has more than 2 factors is called composite number, because without prime number all the number is called composite number. C question is, 1 is neither dash nor dash given prime number and composite number, because 1 is not in a prime number also, not in a composite number also. D question is, a smallest prime number is, prime number will start from 2, 3, 5, 11 like this. So, what is the prime number, smallest prime number in this? 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. E question is, the smallest composite number. Composite number will start from 4, 6, 8 like this. So, which is the smallest composite number? 4 is the smallest composite number. F question is, the smallest even number is dash. Even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So, which is the smallest even number? 2 is the smallest even number.